Everybody worked late and held their breath for something to happen that we didn't anticipate, and then subsequently trying to prevent that mistake or that bug from reaching customers. I'm Stephanie Betters. I'm the CEO of Left Main REI. Left Main REI is a turnkey solution for real estate professionals on Sales Cloud. So it comes pre-configured, installed, and optimized. Our biggest pain point was we did not have a DevOps process. Being a small company, 20 employees, startup, bootstrapped, we had very, very basic package management. So we got to a point where we had over 300 customers, releases every quarter, and it was extremely manual. Developers working out of one org, overwriting each other's code. Documentation in GitHub was almost non-existent because we had our developers working on their own VS Code installed in their computers. So it was really chaotic, and releases were terrible. Everybody hated release day because we knew something was going to happen that we didn't anticipate. We wanted to adapt best practice, and we didn't want to have to reinvent DevOps in the ISV world. There are not a lot of really great solutions that are specific for Salesforce partners or are geared towards Salesforce package releases. So it really wasn't a difficult decision, to be honest. It was really Copado as the best option. Beyond the product itself, one of the reasons why I really liked Copado was actually their leadership team experience with being a Salesforce ISV partner. And just overall Salesforce ecosystem experience. And we really just kind of took the framework that Copado gave us and just ran with best practice. The Copado pipeline management has had the biggest impact thus far because releases are much more organized. We're able to keep all of our user stories in one place and then release based on user story and have all that documentation there. All of our developers now work much more seamlessly together. So we have several sandboxes and environments now for dev, and it's all been built out on the Copado pipeline. Now we have forward promotions and back promotions that keep everybody's org synced up. And then now even non-developer employees can go in there and test appropriately and report back on user stories. We were used to getting, 20, 50 tickets after release. Now we got zero. Zero tickets after release is unprecedented for us. I opted into the robotic testing initially because doing a little analysis on the time savings and the employee savings that the robot would save us, it's about 2 employees for us, 2 full-time employees. We have 20 employees. So it made a huge difference in a small company like us to be able to save that position and be able to automate it. My release manager now likes her life. Release management is not as stressful as it was. Our developers are definitely happier because they're not redoing work. Our product roadmap is amazing and very exciting. And I think that we can get to these releases now a lot sooner, now that we have a more developed and more professional DevOps process. And our team is working better together. We can get our releases out faster. Being part of that startup is a lot of excitement around the features that we're developing and getting them out to customers as soon as possible so that they can give us feedback on them.